Alright, here's the deal today. We got the S1K, we got the drone, and we got the GROM. Fireblade Fetty's here. He's flying the drone today, killing the game. R3 amputee is here. She's traded in the R3 for a GROM. Just kidding. Her R3 is super illegal and she can't take it out. Wait, she doesn't even have an R3 anymore. I meant the ZX3RR. So why haven't you changed your name to ZX3RR amputee? That would be more difficult for sure. So she's gonna stick there. I put them both in the van and brought them here. Killing the game. True. Fetty's gonna film us on the way out. I can't wait to show you guys this footage. That's gonna be cool. Fetty's gonna follow us out. Let's hope he keeps it between the mustard and the mayonnaise and doesn't crash this drone. It's iffy. Here's the startup. And this bike sounds good every time. Oh, she's gonna start the GROM up. Will we hear it over the S1K? It's blowing right on her. There's Fetty. He's killing the game with this drone. We're about ready to take off. She looks like she's about ready. We're gonna go overlook and back. There's the drone. Ah. We're gonna follow her on the GROM for a little bit. Just a little bit. Alright. There she is, killing the game on the GROM. It's a 2020 GROM. It's completely stock, which is not good for basically anything. It needs new tires, it needs rear sets, a new suspension I would imagine would help it some as well, but some like stiffer springs, because I bottom the thing out all the time, but it's incredibly fun to ride. I love the thing. Coming through. She went fast on it. I guess she doesn't care. Oh! There's the max pass. She escaped the max pass. I messed it up. That's so funny. Power on that thing. So turn, better be careful. You made it! You're pretty fast on that thing. I wouldn't be paying attention and all of a sudden you'd be there.
Yeah, I dragged the foot peg.
What?
So I'm like, okay, what the heck?
Getting a little wild. It is. Most fun you can have on two wheels.
I love that.
Got it all on camera, you know it. We're gonna ride back in a little bit. Say goodbye. She killed the game, true?